Hi, I'm Yolanda Churchwell, and welcome to today's 5-minute March Power Play. Today, we're going to go a little bit deeper into the subject that we started last week. Last week, we talked about what an SOP or standard operating procedure is, and we talked about the fact that whether you're a small business or you're a corporation, you needed to create or locate and update your standard operating procedure template. Well, today we're going to go in just a little bit deeper so that you can continue to make sure that you create SOPs that can be used across your entire team and all departments. Okay, ready? Let's go. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your SOPs are clear and easy to follow. These should be step-by-step directions. It should take a person from beginning to end. It should include all of the steps. Okay. And it should have certain things. These things include, but are not limited to, it should be a title. There also should be an objective because, again, these are adults. Adults need to know why they're doing what they're doing so that they can ensure that they do it correctly and get the best outcome from it. Okay. Then again, you want to make sure that they're step by step, every step from beginning to end. And you also want to make sure that they include the roles and the responsibilities. Each step, you want to make sure you say who's supposed to do it. Assign the responsibility to avoid things falling in the crack and having it wasn't me. Okay. Second thing is when creating SOPs, this is not a solo mission. This is not you're out there on your own, you're figuring it out. You want to be able to use your team. You want the people who actually do the job to create the document for how to do the job. It doesn't make sense for you to sit up high and not know the details low. This could come across in several ways. You can have brainstorming sessions. You can do the SOPs and then have them review them. You can have them create the SOPs and you review them. No matter which way you do it, once the SOP is created, you want to make sure that the person uses it from beginning to end to double check and make sure that it's correct. Okay? And third, it's not enough to just create the SOP. You want to make sure that you're providing training. Okay? Whether this is bringing someone in, whether this is videos, whether this is on the job, let's get it done, learn how to do it while you're doing it. This is going to increase understanding. It's also going to make people buy into your vision so that your employees want to make sure that you're doing the best, that the company is doing its best, that the corporation is doing its best. Okay, so those 3 actionable tips are to make sure that your SOPs are clear, easy to follow, step-by-step directions. Second, make sure you're getting feedback from your team. And third, make sure that you provide training on how to do the task once the SOP is completed. So today's actionable strategy is I want you to look at the SOPs that you have in place, and I want you to set a reminder on your calendar 6 months from now to review those. I want you to set a reminder on your calendar every 6 months that SOPs need to be reviewed. Remember, these are living documents and they're going to change. Also, note that if things change in the corporation, in the work process and how things are done, you don't wait until that 6-month mark. You go ahead and get it done now. All right? So, your actionable strategy is to make sure that you remember that your SOPs are a living document and you set a calendar reminder to make sure that you are continuously improving them, or that you go in and improve them, you update them when major changes happen in your organization. All right, so that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, you know there's 3 things I want you to do. I want you to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any other videos. 2, I want you to go over to my blog and read the rest of the article so you can get all the nitty and the gritty, because I just give you the top stuff here, right here. And third, I want you to connect with me on LinkedIn. There you can subscribe to my newsletter and learn even more about how you can create a corporation, how you can create an environment in your business so that your team can grow and scale by standardizing your work processes across teams and departments. It's been fun. See you later.